Hi everyone, this is the Poco Warrior here. This is my Pokemon card opening. So yeah, because I got a Pokemon card for Christmas gift. So yeah, let's open Pokemon cards there because I got it for Christmas gift. So let's start with this one. Two Pokemon here. The Pokemon one pack Sword and Shield Fusion Strike and another Evolution Strike one. And the Pikachu VX box. So yeah, I'm going to small pack thing the other pack. So yeah. Okay, like shuffle like 1, 2, 3 in the back and get the energy. Yeah, I was right. Yeah, 3 get energy. Yeah, so get energy. Got this Goro's buzz, something like that. Yeah, reflector and some of that. Yeah, still something I'm not gonna say. Jellyfish, yeah, and kind of something I'm not gonna pronounce that. Management, summer trainer, and Zoro and this that pack I opened for the from the energy this Pokemon Sword and Shield Strike Fusion Strike pack booster. So this one Evolution Strike. Yeah. One, two, three in the back, so I get energy. Yep, see, my smart mind didn't know the energy. Got Terran Flame, Terran Flame. So yeah, got shiny or something. I'm not going to pronounce it. No. And hippopotamus, something like that. A hippo Pokemon or something. Scrazzle was nice because I have a copy of Scrazzle, so yeah, nice to get a normal one. Copies, I guess. Is verbal. I don't know. A flower Pokemon. A flinching, a Burbacker or something. Pokemon, so yeah. Could go for Gosher, something Pokemon, yeah. Little trainer leaf, snow leaf badge, interesting. And another Scrazzle, a different one. What is it? Come on. Hold on. I actually told you to Scrazzle, so yeah. Interesting. Awesome artwork though. Last one for the second pack is some trainer Pokemon cards. You see, got 2 trainers. Very interesting for the pack. I mean, okay, now let's get to the box. Opening up the Pikachu VX box. I'm gonna show you before I open it to the side of it. safe. Back right here. That's error stuff here. Let's open it. Oh wow, I didn't notice it had tape. Yep. Alright, here we go. Alright. Closer down here. Wow, I how, oh yeah, I'm not doing it. I'll do that later. Okay. That's hard. Got Pikachu here. Jumbo Pikachu, very nice. This I will try that later. Okay, we got this Pokemon Swords and Shield Boost Resin Starters. Yeah, open it. Right. 1, 2, 3. In the back, get energy. Yep. The shiny one, Moses one. Is Trainer Pop Hat one. Is Baron something? Pokemon something? No. A store or something. And Cherry? Or Cherry, someone Pokemon. My nice is wow, I never know which Cherry Pokemon. Also Virgo Pokemon, but it was a baby version. Yeah. Starring, yeah, bird Pokemon. And Fox and something. And let's open the next pack is receive this pack. Pokemon Shield. Sword and Shield Fusion. Oh, sorry, Strike Pack. One, two, three in the back. Get energy. Yep. Nice. Grizzly something. Also get background of Hollow of Rufy something. No, I'm not pronouncing it. No. Okay, now is something or I can't pronounce them. Panking something. I don't know. The Pokemon is Pen Pokemon for Wolf, Sheep Pokemon. I'm sorry, describing it. Is the parent Pokemon? Yeah, I don't know. Got something. The key Pokemon? Wow. You know, this was a key Pokemon. Very interesting for Pokemon. That is, what? Mushroom something? I don't know what this Pokemon is. Garmer or something? Pokemon. The rock Pokemon. Trainer Battle vs VIP Pass. Next pack is the Sword and Shield version plus another one. One, two, three. Got energy. Is Me Too. Wow, that's very interesting. Not Me Too. Fighting a bat. That's interesting. Ooh, ooh, this is good Pokemon. This is the hollow something. I don't know, Pokemon. This is good because I never had this one. That's nice. A cast one, yeah. That was something destroying the correct Pokemon, you know. And something Pokemon squish something, you know. And picked up one. Nice. Get a Pokemon character. Picked up one. And Turtle or something. Yeah. And I'm something, I don't know. And something else. And it's an ultra rare trainer card. Nice. That's not a good pack for this one. Get Me Too. And a cool art too. I don't have. Last one is the Frozen Pokemon Sword and Shield Fusion Kit. One, two, three in the back, and got the energy right here. Is the Gorilla Energy. Oh wow, that's easy. Try on the back. Get the something card, alternate card, special good. This new kind of good collection is Revile something else. It's nice. And so something else for Pokemon is Eevee. Nice. Nice. Got Eevee. Nice. Very nice. And the guy I got the green right now is the blue version. So yeah. Flower or something like a copy of it. Yeah. Jeremy, some Me Too. No, Me Too and Meow one. That's nice. It was some Pokemon trainer one now. Oh, what I got is something else Pokemon, I don't know what. And back is the Cocker or something else. Again, copy. Yeah. Alright, it's good Pokemon set. I mean, the card opening I got focused on. Oh, I see. I could push out. Okay, that's nice. This shiny Mew something. Okay, how? Sorry. Push out here. I missed that. Pikachu VX. That's good. So yeah. Overall, this set is good. I mean, I got for Christmas. Hopefully, Christmas. So there you go. That's my opening of Pokemon card opening 2 or 3 something like that. I will put in title for it. So yeah, that's my first Pokemon card I got. So yeah, this. There you go. So yeah, this is my Pokemon card opening from I got my Christmas gift. So yeah, it's fun opening. Some parts I like, some I don't, but overall it's good. So yeah, this is my opening, not opening. This is my done opening Pokemon card opening. So yeah, so yeah, just enjoy my video. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, like the video and type below. Do you like this Pokemon cards you like, or do you like any Pokemon card? Do you like any Pokemon card? Just type below. So yeah, bye.